Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope that you are fine. And in this video tutorial, we will learn about the export keyword in GDScript. So the export keyword is used to make it easier for us to change the variable value from the editor. Let's see. I have opened the player GDScript, and here I have two export variables. And if I go to the player scene, and if I select the player, you can see speed 1000 and jump force is 3000, and I have modified the jump force to 3000. As you can see in the script, I have the jump force value 100 in my script, and in my editor I have jump force value 3000. And same in the same way I can also make gravity an export variable, and it will also be displayed in the editor. Let's see. Export var, and now if I save, let me reselect it, and as you can see gravity is 20. After running it, it falls, and I can increase the gravity in the editor right now. I will increase this to 50, and let's see. As you can see, gravity has been increased, and that's why jump force decreased. If I increase it to 100, let's see. Jump force needs to be increased. If I increase jump force to 5000, let's see. It is jumping little bit higher than before. Okay, and let's set it back to 3000 and make it a const again, and it will be disappear from the editor. Const. Okay, now it will be revert back to 20. Now let's run it again. As you can see, it is working as it was before. So the export keyword is used to display variables value inside the editor, and you can also modify the variables value from the editor. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.